Hey everybody, I'm launching an open sourcing Priveedly, which is useful if you want to have a personal content feed curated by yourself for yourself and potentially explore and build your own recommender for yourself. And maybe this is interesting to you just because you're a data nerd like me and you want to observe your reading habits and what's interesting to you. Or maybe it's useful because you care about privacy or you care about autonomy of making sure that your feed looks like how you want it to look like. So currently, if you know how to get a Python web server up and running, it's fairly easy to add what feeds you like and also supports what subreddits you like. And there's integrations for a few other news sites. So it's open source on GitHub. I look forward to your feedback. If you want to contribute anything, very welcome. And maybe this thing that I've been using for a few years for me is useful to somebody else. And if so, that would make me very happy.